Hey guys, it's Jay with icar-stl.com, and today I'm going to do the video of this 1992 Honda Beat. It has 36,971 original miles on it. It is verified through the auction houses in Japan. It has a Mugen Body Kit, Mugen Hood, Mugen truck spoiler, newer convertible top. It's got coilovers, aftermarket exhaust, aftermarket steering wheel, and it is equipped with the factory option zebra stripe seats. It has 56,501 kilometers, which comes to 36,971 miles. This car was legally imported into the USA by the 25-year law. The car comes with all import paperwork and EPA declaration entry summer and all that stuff. We do have a financing available. You can go to our website for that. Under our financing tab, I say fill out applications before you come in. That way you know that you're approved or what you're approved for. Then we can make up the difference with a down payment or something like that. It is original factory color blade silver. It was the last car to be approved by Mr. Honda before he died in 1991. It's powered by a mid-engine 660cc motor equipped with multi-throttle response engine control, which just means that there's a carburetor or electronic fuel injection throttle body on each cylinder. This car is extremely fun to drive. I mean, you get looks in this thing, no matter where you take it, people are always talking, asking questions about it and all that stuff. Red line's at 8,500 RPMs, and you need the full 8,500 RPMs just to keep up with traffic. It's a fun little car. Probably one of my favorite cars I've ever driven, as far as just puts a smile on your face when you're done with it. The paint and body are in excellent shape. Tires are good. They are snow tires. I believe it came from the mountains up in Japan. Very little rust on it. Car overall is a Ford condition. It is very, very, very nice car. Alright guys, let's do a cold start for you. Turn the key on. Show you that the motor's cold. See that? Bring it back here to the stand. Fires right up. Kick on the air for you here. Thermometer in there. You can see it's reading . Brake. Clutch feels good. Ice cold there. Heat works. quite warm yet, but it doesn't take much here. So it's starting to climb with the heat. Light works with the door. It's a cool sounding car. Alright guys, let's do the walk around video for you. There does seem to be a little bit of rust starting to happen there. Not a big deal. And then there's a little bit back here. Just a little paint chip. Other than that, I don't believe there is anything else on this car that has any issues. Just that. And this car is extremely clean. You can see somebody did get a crack in it right there, but I mean it is extremely clean car. See the hood. This does have a little bit of cracking on it. Top. No electric top. Top seems to be in excellent shape. Put a brand new battery in it. The motor is back here. It is a fiberglass trunk lid, and it is also a fiberglass hood. The only problem with this hood that I see is that that little vent catches a bunch of water when it rains or whatnot, and then it all catches right into the spare tire sitting right there. So it does need to be cleaned up or whatnot, but it does have a strut tower bar, Costco strut tower bar up there. Another fiberglass hood. This car weighs roughly like 1,500 pounds or so. You can see the PP. All right. Bridgestone tires, really good tread on them. There is the exhaust. Does have the owner's manual with it. Let's see the seats. Does have some kind of holes in the dash there, I don't know. This Ford, I think the owner's manual is back here. Here's the owner's manual. Comes with some maintenance records and paperwork for exhaust and stuff like that. So. The seat was repaired right there, but it looks really good. So, not much to show you on this car. AC does work. Window works. A little slow, but they're old. They work. Does not have power mirrors. There it goes. Blinker. Bulbs, headlights, blinker, blinker. Head beeping's just telling me that the headlights are on, the key's off. Blinker, tail lights. Everything works as it should.